70% of you just confirmed my suspicions, and what you have told me cannot be overlooked because your future and your health depends on it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Fit After 50. For those who don't know me, I'm Jay, a workout enthusiast, natural men's physique competitor, and I'm in my 50s. On this channel, we talk fitness for older guys like myself, and we discuss a make sense and simple approach to fitness. Notice I said we. That means your thoughts count, so be sure you are chiming in the comments below. Whether you are just starting a leg workout regimen or you've been exercising legs for many years, there are three very important things you must know before you head back into the gym to do another leg workout. And the third one that I'm going to tell you will be the one that not only shocks you, but it's going to motivate you to start exercising legs like never before. I'll guarantee it. As I mentioned in the opening, you have inspired this video. I sent out a community post asking your opinion on which body part is given the least amount of attention in the gym. 70% of you told me legs get the least amount of attention in the gym. You confirmed what I suspected. Legs just do not get the same attention as other body parts. And it is my goal in this video to get all of you rethinking leg exercises. I want to tell you 3 reasons why neglecting your legs is a huge mistake, especially for those of you over 40. The first thing I want you to know is if you've ever seen someone as they age, meaning someone in their 70s or 80s, and they begin to fall a lot. If you have seen this, then you are aware just how important balance is. Continuous falls are a sign of frailty and of a weak foundation. Forget for a moment having big muscular legs to show off on the beach or to show off in the gym. At the age of 20, we're in the gym only worrying about how good we can look. But at 40, we need to have started investing into our health to prepare us for the golden years. We invest in a retirement plan for our future when we are young. We don't wait till we're old, or at least we shouldn't. So that way we can hopefully retire one day and have money to still enjoy life and take care of the things that we need to take care of. We plan ahead for things like our kids' college when the kids are young and not when they're about to graduate high school. But did you know we can also plan ahead for our future health? And one way to do that is to build a great foundation under us today that will remain with us and sustain us for many years to come. Keeping our legs exercised on a regular basis with resistance training will improve our strength and improve our balance for the future. If investing into your future health isn't enough, meaning improved balance and improved coordination, the second reason you want to be performing leg exercises on a regular basis is it will improve your overall athletic performance. Your legs are a major muscle group. When you work out those major muscle groups, you get major results. If you have found this to be true in your situation, let us hear from you in the comments by sharing your experience with us. Now, let's take a football running back for an example. Running backs perform extreme amounts of leg exercises so that they can strengthen their legs and prepare them for hard running, better speed, ability to jump higher, and best of all, making it harder for their opponent to bring them down. None of us may be planning to go sign up for football, but those leg workouts will help us in preventing injuries such as lower back issues, future arthritis issues, ligament and tendon damage and issues with them, as well as making it harder for old age to bring us down. Stronger, more powerful legs can also assist in preventing injuries such as ACL and MCL injuries. By neglecting to work out the legs, you're sacrificing your core, stability, and overall coordination. Routinely working your legs will give you a greater gym experience overall. Whatever muscle group you're working on, having stronger legs and a stronger core will improve other workouts and help to protect you from injury while performing those other exercises. And of course, there's the obvious. If you neglect your legs, those muscles will begin to shrink over time. And then let's not forget how disproportionate your body will look if you only exercise the upper body. So if you're looking to remain active longer in life and do more outdoor activities with the grandkids, like a good game of backyard football, don't skip the leg day. The third reason to do leg exercises on a regular basis is strong legs will improve your overall physique and health. First of all, if you're trying to lean down, The good news is you don't have to stop eating or go on some crazy diet pill. Instead, start committing to your leg workouts. Leg workouts are a great place to start the process of trimming off excess fat. The reason for this is exercising those large leg muscles will increase your body's production of cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that is naturally produced whenever your body is under stress, and the benefit of cortisol in this situation is it helps to increase fat metabolism by converting fat to usable energy. But besides trimming down and burning more fat, what I love about leg workouts is how it increases the body's natural production of testosterone and HGH, or human growth hormone. If you're looking for that natural boost of HGH that will get the entire body growing, exercise those legs. It's a proven fact. Men who consistently exercise their legs with all the other body parts have an overall higher amount of muscle mass than those who only perform upper body exercises. If you're looking to maximize your body's natural potential to grow overall muscle mass, start including leg workouts into your regimen. The slump you're in with muscle gains may just be fixed by adding routine leg days. Not only can you improve your physical appearance with larger muscles, you can improve your overall health as well. Listen to this. According to one study, people who have more muscle mass in their legs or stronger legs in general also have a 41% lower risk of developing heart failure. But even better, every 5% of increase in the quad strength is associated with an 11% lower risk of heart failure. I'm going to share that entire study in the description below. I think I'm going to go exercise my legs. I got to go. Until next time, like the video and go get fit.